There's a cold front coming in Copper City. The clouds are more reminiscent of snow clouds in the winter than it is the summertime clouds. Awesome. That is really awesome looking. Nice cool air for a few days. It'll mellow everybody out. Ooh, I didn't see that. Rainbow. I don't know if you can notice it, but right there is a rainbow. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5 different hues of color. Fading out a little as the sun disappears behind clouds, but it came right there and it stretches right down. Pretty cool. I don't know, I just love clouds. Clouds are always different shapes every day. People can think what they want, you know. Whatever makes them happy, I guess. Wow, now it's really vibrant. It's stretching right up. You got a big rainbow right in there. Almost goes up into... That is some powerful cloud. But they did say rain for 50% of the day on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, plus some in the evening. Now, I mean, the cold front is already coming through. The rain that we'll be getting will be lake effect rain. But the lake, a lot of the lake effect rain is already drying up before it reaches Rome. Might get some tonight, lake effect showers, which means it can rain out pretty hard for a time. But another good thing about lake effect rain is that it can generally move pretty fast. I mean, 1 minute it's raining, the next minute nothing. Now it's really vibrant. Hope it comes out on the video. That is an awesome cloud. And what you see is like the curtains, the mist in those clouds, that's rainfall. But surprisingly, a lot of it is not hitting the ground. It's evaporating before it does. lot of people just look at me like I don't know anything, especially my parents. But weather is something I know a lot about. FYI.